In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder products, WooCommerce for beginners. We'll start right inside your WooCommerce site. Go ahead and open your website's dashboard so you're on the WordPress admin screen. From here, we'll make sure the catalog is set up to display products the way you want before we fine-tune the exact order. On the left menu, click Appearance, then choose Customize. This opens the customizer so you can preview changes as you make them. Next, click WooCommerce and then select Product Catalog. This area controls how products appear on your shop and category pages. Look for the default product sorting option. Here, you can choose how items are arranged for visitors, such as by popularity, average rating, newest first, or price. If you want full control to manually arrange products, make sure you're using the default sorting option that supports custom ordering. Once you've picked the order that fits your store, click Save Changes to apply it. Now let's manually reorder products. Exit the customizer and go back to your dashboard. Click Products. At the top of the product list, you'll see a sorting view. Open that and you'll be able to drag and drop products into the exact order you want. Grab the handle next to a product and move it up or down to adjust its position. This is great for highlighting bestsellers or seasonal items. When you're done, your changes are saved as you rearrange and you can refresh your shop page to see the new lineup. If you need even more precision, you can set the order at the product level. Click on a product to open it. In the Product Data panel, click the Advanced tab. Here, you'll see a field for menu order. Enter a number, like 1, to push this product to the very top. Lower numbers appear first, higher numbers later. A helpful tip is to use spaced numbers like 5, 10, 15, so you can slot new items in between later without redoing everything. When you've set the number, click Update to save. That's it. You've adjusted the catalog sorting, dragged items into the perfect sequence, and fine-tuned a product's position using the advanced menu order. If you don't see changes right away on the front end, give your page a refresh. With these tools, you can keep your store looking fresh, prioritize the products that matter, and guide customers to what you want them to see first.